Hi, welcome. I'm Renee, and today I'm stepping away from my kitchen to show you a project that my husband and myself have been working on for a few weeks now. I love seeing the little libraries that people put out in their neighborhoods. I just think they're so charming and cute and functional for community. And being as how I'm a reader, a recent reader, but now that's my way. I relax, escape, just breathe as I read, just breathe. And so I decided I too would like to put out a little library in our neighborhood to, I don't know many neighbors. We live in a larger area where the houses are kind of separated by a good bit of property, not tons. We have about an acre here. So, except for the neighbors directly on either side and maybe a little bit down the block, I don't know them, but they do walk a lot. The people in the neighborhood walk, their dogs, their kids, just themselves, bike ride, whatever. And I just thought this would be a nice way for me to kind of introduce ourselves, even though we've been living here for 20 years. So we made this, Mark and I made this little library to recycle some of the books that we've read and enjoyed over the years. And I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll show you what it looks like. And then I'm going to take you out to the street with us where we're going to install it so you can see what it looks like when it's all in place. I'm very excited about it. This has been like 2 to 3 weeks of working on this little library, and if you're interested, I'm happy to put any links to the products we used, as far as the bench you'll see, the house, the paint, the lantern, and then what I did to make the brick books, because those were a project in themselves, and I didn't film any of that making them, but I did take a lot of images, pictures of them as I was working on them. So if you're interested, or maybe I'll just go ahead and put those all together like in a slideshow video so you can see the process if you'd like to build one of these for your own community, because I think you're really going to like it. So without further ado, let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here it is. Now, as you can see, it's not fully prepared to go outside yet. The books are on the table in the kitchen because what I thought would be fun to do, a nice thing to do, would be to sign and number, so people who come and read the books after us can go ahead and add their names if they wish, and maybe their email address. And maybe it would even be fun to, at some point, start a book club in the neighborhood, but I'm getting ahead of myself. So as you can see, there are the paver books I painted, and up above we still have to add rocks. This is not fully set yet. We're going to add rocks to the bottom of the planter box, and then I have some faux mums, Amazon, and I ordered the lantern. I ordered the lantern from Amazon, and it's solar powered, so at night it'll turn on. The bench we got from a local hardware store. The little cat on the book, Amazon. The sign, Amazon. The book house itself, the library itself, Amazon. All the little stickers, you can see there's book spines there. And then I got some business cards newly printed off of Vistaprint. And let me quick show you this side, because I think this side is so adorable. I don't know if you can see it fully, but there's a little mouse reading inside. That's a decal. And then on the other side, let me quick swing around. Don't want to make you ill though. And over here is another little mouse reading inside the book, the library house. So yeah, so that's what it looks like right now. We're going to go outside In a little bit, we're going to have to use the wheelbarrow to bring everything out and make several trips. But this is what it looks like inside, and soon you will see what it looks like outside. Okay, before we go out, I thought I would show you quick the stack of books that we're going to add to the library. Hopefully they will be of people's interest. There's a little bit of something for everyone. No cookbooks though, because I have a lot of cookbooks, but I am not going to part with a one of them. No, thank you. So they're not going out there, but I do have some gardening books, some fiction, of course, some books about dog training, and just my husband put a few out there. And yeah, so there's our selection of books, and hopefully people will take what they like and then bring some of their favorites to replace them. So we'll see. Here's something else fun. It was kind of like the brainchild of, well, mine and my sister's combined, along with the, you can see the little house, the little plastic holder of business cards. I added to each book a business card for my website, kudoskitchen.renee.com. So hopefully people who don't know about my website in the neighborhood, which I'm sure is everyone, maybe will take a moment to visit and find some recipes they like there. Also, my YouTube channel will be on there as well. Yay! Okay, Mark just went to get the wagon so we can load everything up and take it out to the street. It's going to take several trips, and they're all very heavy things, and that's good because sometimes it gets windy and we don't want anything to blow away. So we'll show you what that looks like as soon as we get loaded up. Okay, here, wow! Penny. I brought Penny out with us, so that makes things a little harder. But here's the bench and a little bit of the decor and the rocks for the planter in the wagon going out to the street. And then I also have my tripod so we can take some video of the setup. Here we go. Sorry for all the shaking. Here's a little library. So hopefully neighbors will enjoy it. Come by, maybe even gather around, get to know each other. Don't know. We'll see what happens. But what's really nice is I can see this from my desk inside, which is where I spend a good majority of my time. So I kind of love that aspect of it. And if you have any questions about how we did this, made this, and you know where the products came from, I'm going to be putting the links down below in the description box. So hopefully you find what you're looking for, and we're happy to answer any questions. So thanks a lot for visiting, and keep reading. Bye.